On the topic percentages, we are going to find, okay, we are going to deal with some important features. Okay, before doing that, you should know what is a percentage. Okay, what is a percentage? For an example, when we think about your mathematics mark, okay, in your exam, they will give you some marks after you finished your paper. Okay, are they giving for 28? You are getting 17. 39, you are getting 25. Likewise, no, this is not the standard notation to indicate your marks. Okay, we have to give a standard value. Okay, when another person asks from you, they also have to understand what you are telling. So that the percentages was standardized for 100. Okay, 100 is the total. Okay, for 100 only, you will receive some marks. For 100, you are getting 87. That means we can express it as 87 percentage. That's all. Very easy. In your exam, they will put your marks like this and there is a round like this. So that's the way. That's how you should understand the percentage. So this is the way when there is a fraction. Okay, when there's a fraction given, how can we convert the particular fraction as percentage? Okay, for 187, okay, this is standardized for 100, so we can express it as 87 percentage. Okay, 65 upon 100 means we can express it as 65 percentage, because for 100 this one is standardized now, so 100 for 100 it would be 65 percentage. 1 upon 100, that means 1 percentage. Okay, 1 percentage. This is the basic thing. If the denominator is 100, in numerator we have any values, we can express it as a percentage directly. Next thing is, if a percentage was given, okay, think in converse way. Here we have the fraction. When a fraction given, if we know how to convert it as a percentage sign. Okay, this is the percentage sign. The slanted line in this side, in left side and right side, we have some dotted kind of mark. Then let's think about if the percentage was given 55 percentage. Okay, how can we represent this percentage in fraction? For that, 55. Okay, think about your marks. Okay, your marks. That is the easiest parameter we can relate it with percentage. So 55 for 100, you got 55. So that's the way they will indicate 55. So when you think about 78 percentage, that would be 78 upon 100. Then 5 percentage, when we think about 5 percentage, it would be 5 upon 100. Okay, this is the way. Okay, what we discussed here, we discussed how to represent the fraction to percentages. Now we are looking for percentages sign to fractions. This is the basic thing you should know. Then after, let's convert. Okay, this is the basic thing. After this, we are going to convert some given fractions to percentages. Okay, fractions to percentages. The major thing you should concern about over here, that would be this sign. Okay, sign, and is it a fraction or something else? Then the denominator is also a concerning factor. Here you can see in all the places the denominators are 100. Denominators are 100. If the denominator is not 100, how can we approach the question? Let's see. Okay, here I am giving you a fraction like this. Okay, that means I'll give you 7 upon 10. Okay, 7 upon 10. You are going to convert, okay, the given fraction as percentage. Now we are doing our topic, that would be converting fractions to percentages. 7 upon 10. Okay, we are going to convert it as a fraction for of a percentage. Okay, the percentage, converting fraction to percentage, that's our task. In this case, what do we need to do is, here there is a fraction given, but its denominator is not 100, so we can write it as 7 percentage. We cannot write it as 7 percentage. Here is your task. You should convert the fraction to be in its equivalent fraction. So you know how to find equivalent fraction. To get the denominator as 100, okay, you should convert the denominator to 100. Then after, we can express it as percentage. Okay. To find its equivalent fraction, I am going to multiply the denominator by 10. Okay. You should think 10 multiplied by which number will give you 100. Okay. 10 multiplied by which number will give you 100. So 7 times 10 and 10 times 10. Yeah, we can write it as 70 upon 100. 70 upon 100. Now our work became easier. Okay. Now look at this. The denominator become 100 and we can write the numerator itself and express it as a percentage. Okay. Express it as a percentage. Now your marks came. No? 10 is to 7 is not a suitable notation. 100 is to 70. That is the suitable notation over here. So for 100 you are getting 70 marks. So it would be indicated by 70 percentage. Okay, 70 percentage. Let's do one more question. Yeah, I'll give you a mixed fraction. 25 is to 1 upon 5. Okay. First of all, we have to convert the mixed fraction as an improper fraction. You know how to convert that. The denominator stays itself, 25. Then to find the numerator, 25 ones are 25 plus 5, that would be 30. That would be 30. No need to worry about this 30. Our full concentration towards the denominator, the 25. How 25 will become 100? How 25 will become 100? So to find the particular multiplicand, you should obtain this one as a denominator 100. That's our task. How can we find that one? To find that, you should find the particular multiplicand you should use. So divide 100 by 25. Okay, divide 100 by 25. That will give you 4. Okay, 4 25s are 100 equals to 0. So now we found the particular multiplicand. Let's simplify that multiplicand over here. So 25 multiplied by 4, that is 100. Similarly, this one also, the numerator also should be multiplied by 4. 30 multiplied by 4, that would be 120. Denominator is 100. Numerator is 120. So we can express it as 120 percentage. Okay, 120 percentage. Not in marks. In marks, if it is 100, we can only receive maximum as 100. In some performance we will receive 120 like that. Okay, in not in marks, in other parameters. For an example, in velocity, speed, in other parameters we can find like this. Your concerning factor would be, if denominator is 100, we can write the numerator itself and indicate it by using a percentage sign. Okay, look at the first question. When you need to convert the denominator to 100, you should multiply this by 5. So it will become 65 upon 100. 65 upon 100. So its corresponding percentage would be 65 percentage. 65 percentage. Then when you think about your second question, you should multiply the denominator by 20 to get the denominator as 100. So it will become 100 over 40. So its corresponding percentage, that would be 40 percentage. And what is our next question? 1 upon 10. It's easy. So you can multiply this by 10 to receive your corresponding fraction. 10 upon 100. So it would be 10 percentage. For the last question, the multiplicand, you should find the particular multiplicand, that would be 4. So 24 upon 100. 24 upon 100. So its corresponding percentage would be 24 percentage. That's all from these questions.